Good morning. So for Unit 1, let's go over here first. For Activity 4, there's only 2 tasks that you need to complete. So I'm just working on the first video here. So it is another reading response that you are going to do. So let's have a look. You've got 3 choices. You only have to pick one of them. So I don't mind which one you decide to read. You might want to scan them and see which one kind of speaks to you that you'd rather read a little bit more about. So you can kind of open them all, look at the titles, and decide. So then you are doing the same process that you have previously done. So you're reading your narrative. You are going to answer one question. So your process, highlight one question in each column, delete the rest of the questions in the column, and use full sentences to answer the questions you have chosen. So pick one of the following ideas, delete the rest. One of the following questions, delete the rest. Same thing over here. And then you can answer those questions. In marking these, this also goes to the assignment area. So up over here, you will see something by this name as well once I open it up. What was I going to say? In terms of feedback from these, people are doing quite well with the responses. Sometimes I'm marking your work in Google if I feel like that's why I want your portfolio shared with me. And if I feel like you have some work that you need to edit and go back to, it's easier for me to make suggestions in Drive. So I will tell you if I'm making suggestions there. Watch your capitals, watch your run-on sentences. The thing that I find personally is if I read my answer back to myself out loud, I will find where the natural pauses tend to be. So you usually can figure out where you need to split and start a new sentence if you say it out loud, because you're going to run out of breath. So try that as a strategy just to make sure that you're not doing run-on sentences. If you want me working with you on it, just share it to me. And you should be able to choose me, like just add, once you've made your copy, search Amanda Allison, and then share it with me and say, hey, Miss Allison, I want you to help me with working through this. And you know that I'm online till 2:30 each day, so we can also work in time on that sort of thing if you're struggling. So these are the readings. You can listen to them as well. So the first one is about the importance of neighbors, and the other one is called When All of Us Are Home. And then the last one is called The Place I Call Home. So pick and choose which one you want to read. They are not the longest, but think about pulling evidence directly from the text when you are doing your directly stated information questions. Okay,